live. Today is the scheduled date as usual when we meet together to talk Igbo language. The topic, our line of discussion is Let's Talk Igbo Language Live. So wherever you are, this is a time we need to come on board. Let's discuss and learn Igbo language together. I am the Igbo tutor, Mazi Okafo. We came up with the idea of having free live Igbo lessons every Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigeria time, 1300 GMT. This is aimed at giving everyone who is interested opportunity to learn Igbo language from any part of the world. So wherever you are now, and you are interested in learning Igbo language free of charge, you need to join up now in this live session. This is a time when we brainstorm on Igbo, exercise our brain, our understanding of Igbo language, and then learn more things, new things, have more ideas of how to use Igbo words, phrases, and then sentence formation. So wherever you are now, this time you begin to join up as we do this together. This is the appointed time, the appointed hour, the appointed day. So come on board now. Let's learn Igbo language together, wherever you are, from any part of the world. Are you born of Igbo parents, or do you are, having difficulty speaking Igbo language? Perhaps because of the location you found yourself, you have no one to, interact with. Your parents are always busy, no one to really help you out. You travel out of Nigeria, you are disconnected from the language. This channel is meant for you, and this session is for you specially. So, are you married to Igbo? Are you a fiancé or fiancé? Or are you engaged? What is the challenge? You're a business partner of Igbo, you're a friend of Igbo, you're an Igbo lover, whatever is your situation, and you are interested in learning Igbo language, we are here for you. We make our time to always be with you by this time every Saturday for a live free class of Igbo teaching. So perhaps you are subscribed to any other Igbo channel or Igbo teaching channel. It's not a problem. You can always come around here and let's learn together. Whether you are not subscribed to our channel or not, this is a free class. Take advantage of it and learn and ask whatever you must have known before. This is the Igbo Tutor live, free Igbo class. So begin to join up now. As you are seeing me right now on your screen, you are in the right place. So join up now. Let's learn the Igbo language, the language of the business people of Nigeria, West Africa. So you have to come in now and learn. Learn. These are wonderful people, good husbands, good wives, good business people. Everything you want is with the Igbos. Successful people in every aspect. So you have to learn the language of the business people, language of successful people. We are the Igbo Kwen. So I welcome those who are in class already, and that is Princess Ezeunwa. You are the first to come to class today, Imela. And then we have Rahil Hammer. Good afternoon from Norway. Great. Wow, we have Rahim from Norway. Rahim, it's pleasure seeing you coming to our class today. I know you love Igbo people, you want to learn Igbo. So Rahid Hammer, before we begin the class, can you share with us why do you want to learn Igbo language? I'm talking to Rahim Hammer. Why are you interested in learning Igbo language? Mr. Hammer, is it a Mr. or Mrs. or Miss? Please pardon me, I don't know your title. Or can you share with me from Norway, why do you want to learn Igbo language? Before the class will start fully, let's gist a little bit. Why do you want to learn Igbo language? You're interested, you're a business partner, you're a friend of Igbo, you're an Igbo lover, you're a fiancé, or anyone, husband of Igbo wife. Why do you want to learn Igbo language? My friend from Norway, I'm talking to you now. Can you tell me why you want to learn this wonderful language of Igbo people of Nigeria? Okay, because my boyfriend is Igbo. Wow, that's great. I love these women. Of course, you must be lucky to marry Igbo or have Igbo boyfriend. These guys are hardworking. These guys are committed. These guys are loving. They know how to take care of women. I can boast of that any day, anytime. So please, you are in the right place. Hammer, you're in the right place. So learn this Igbo to use it to solidify your relationship. And I'm sure, God willing, it will lead to marriage. So you can be, blowing this language, you mix up with the people, your mother-in-law, your father-in-law, they will appreciate you more if you can speak this language. They will, embrace you more, and then you have little or no problem, blending with the people as you learn the language. So, Rahil Hammer, you are highly welcome, our future wife. Okay, so you will do well. My name is Rahid, but you can call me Raga. Okay, I will try. Okay, let me prefer to use Raga. I think that is simpler to really call Raga. So you're welcome to class. Raga, and the whole lot of you that are coming in newly, there are rules here when you come in. First, you join the class, get ready to learn, have your writing materials. Okay, rags. So you have your writing material for you to be able to write so that you can, recollect what we discussed before, because the faintest biro is sharper than the sharpest brain, says the people who knows what to say. So please be ready to write. That will help you to remember and do revision. Also, please hit the like button as you join the class. Please, very important. Rags, I hope you have done that. Hit the like button, hit the share button so this video can go out to more people to also join like you, take advantage of this free lesson. So hit the like button, hit the share button. I don't know whether it's down or up of your screen. Do that now. Also subscribe to our channel if you have not done so that you don't miss our next upload. Or when we send out notification for the next live session, you will be notified duly. And as you subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out any of our updates as they are being sent out. So these are a few things you do. Hit the like button, share button, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our notifications for new live program or new video or whatever we do. We will always be among those that will be notified right on time. So you are all welcome to class today. Class captain is here, Chikezie. So Raga will say, welcome to class. Who else is here? Princess Ezewa was the first to come to class today. Great people. So we are going to start. This is 5 minutes after the hour of 2 p.m. So like we always say, we don't wait for people. We have our time schedule. If you are, considering this as an important thing to you, you have to be here right on time. So we begin right away. I want us to review where we stopped last Saturday. Though we had network challenge last Saturday, which actually tried to mess up whatever we did. But all the same, we were able to, held on tenaciously to the end of the class. And then I'm happy because I did it knowing that it's not only those of you who are in live class that will watch this video or enjoy it, that some other people will watch it later when it is uploaded to our channel. And that was why I held on to it until we finished the hour. And thank God I received a feedback that they appreciated my staying power and being able to continue the class to the end, that they rewatched it and they were able to learn much from it. So that's what gave me the courage to always push on. Even if we don't have much people in class, people will always watch later. So it's nice. We stopped. The series we are dealing with now is Igbo verb game. We are picking Igbo verbs and turning them around, using them in different I pray that what happened last week will not happen again this week. I just pray so. So having a very good knowledge of Igbo, the verb of Igbo will equip you better to be able to apply it in, speaking the language. So that's why we're dealing with what we call Igbo verb, and we're applying verb in different ways and then in different forms to, have the flexibility on how to use them. And then I want someone to remind us the last verb we considered last week. What was the verb we considered last week? Somebody among us here have not hit the like button. I don't know why. That is the least thing you can do for your teacher to show appreciation. It doesn't cost you money. Just hit the like button. That's all. It doesn't cost you anything. Just show solidarity, show appreciation by hitting the like button and the share button. I didn't ask you to give me money, just your finger. Okay? And that's the least you can do to support this project. Hit the like button, hit the share button, subscribe to our channel, and then hit the notification bell. Okay, so and young, Chinonso, you're welcome to class. No. So Princess Ezewa, okay, is reminding us of the last verb we considered last week, and that is correct. Very apt. Chute was the last verb we considered. And we're going to move on from there. And the next verb we're going to deal with is they. Can somebody write it for us? I know Chinonso is here. I know he'll be on fire. He has also done some of these things. So he will be very helpful to us in this class. They is the next verb. Can somebody write it? They. Please write it. Write it in the chat now. They. Ngwa, Anamechegi. I'm waiting for you. They. Write it. Okay, Princess has written that. They. Perfect. Right? Perfect. That is the word. They. And once one or two persons get it, we move on. They to write. Okay? They actually means write. We're going to use it in other forms to depict to write. So, they is the last verb and it means write. Now let's break it down. Let's break they down to its other versions. Okay? First, they, write. Second, to write is what? To write is what? Please help me type it. What is to write in Igbo? To write. What is it? To write. Yeah, I'm waiting for you. Waiting for you to type to write in Igbo. Ide, Chikeze has written Ide. Okay, any other option? Any other option? It appears some people are having network challenge. Any other option to write means Ide. Zoan Young Chin also has written. Zoan Young, Ide. Any other option? Any other? I'm waiting for Princess to write her own because what you wrote before as to write is not correct. Okay? Princess, write your own. To write means what? It means, are you coming in? Or we should move on? It means Ide. Those two answers are correct. Ide, okay? Ide means to write. Now let's go to, okay, Princess has come, correct, Ide. Let's go to wrote. Wrote. What is the verb for wrote? Past tense of write. Wrote. What is the verb? What they are so? They are past tense of write. Wrote. What is that in Igbo? What is that in Igbo? As you join the class, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the share button so that this video can go out to more people to come into the class. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not done so. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any of our uploads or announcements. Okay? Okay. Somebody has written something, wrote. So and Young has written Dere. Yeah? Noted. Any other option? Wrote. 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 Waiting for your response. Wrote. Wrote. Waiting for your response. Wrote. Yes. What is wrote in Igbo? Ngwan, I'm waiting for you. I'm sure it cannot be only one person that will respond, but it appears network is holding you back. So we wait a little bit more to accommodate your response. Yes, I guess as much. Chikeze has written Dere. Okay. Is anyone, where are you? Princess. Anaim, okay, it's not actually anaim, but amaim, where you put N should be M. Amaim, M as in me. That's what you should put there. Amaim, talking to princess now. Okay. So do the correction of your word. Amaim, not anaim. Amaim, M as in me. Princess, correct your sentence. Okay. So since you don't know, we take the responses we've got, which is from Chinonso, Zoa Young, and Chikezie, Dere. Their response is correct. So wrote is Dere. Dere, wrote. Okay. Then we go on to the next one, which is will write. Will write. What is will write? Will write. Will write. What is that? Will write. Yes. Igbo version for the word will write. Phrasal verb. Okay. When you want to write a phrasal verb in Igbo, please join it to the hyphen, just like Chikezi has done. A dash between is the perfect way to write it. Okay. Chikezi had done that. Gaide, respect talent. Wow. Respect. I love that. That's correct. Okay, we write Gede, but respect talent, join it with a hyphen. Respect talent, this is the first time I'm getting this name in our live class. Is it the first time you're joining our live class? Please confirm the respect. Confirm that this is your first time of joining our class. I'm interested in knowing that. And as you join our class, the rule is that you hit the like button first, hit the share button first. Okay, respect, you're welcome. No, hit the share button first, second, then hit subscribe to our channel if you have not done so, and then hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss our future coming upload and notices for future live classes. So do those things, they are very important to us. So respect talent, welcome to class. No on a class. Igbo no. Dewo. Ezigbo nwanyị. Welcome to class. Okay, ndewo no, ndewo Igbo. No. Okay. What we are dealing with is we'll write, and we're written the correct answers, which means gaede, gede. Okay, we'll move on to is writing. Is writing, phrasal verb, present continuous. Is writing. Is writing. What is that in Igbo? Is writing. Yes. Boyibo had written nede. Great. It's like Chikeze is having problem with network today. Boyibo want to lead. As she just came into class, she want to lead. She's in a hurry to take over from Chikeze. Okay, respect. On naede. Okay. Chikeze naede. Okay. Okay. Respect. I didn't say he is writing. I say is writing. Is writing, not he is writing. Okay, it's a phrasal verb. He's writing. I understand. So it's naede. Chikeze is right. Ibo is right. Naede. Those are perfect words. I know that Noah Young is coming. Maybe the network is holding him back. So those words are correct. Naede. Move on to the next one. Go and write. Or go right. Go right. Go right. Who will tell us what it means in Igbo? Go right or go and right. Gade, Igbo is on fire. Gade, Igbo want to challenge our class captain. She want to contest for class captainship. I don't think Chikeze will give you a chance to do that. Oh. Let's see. Chikeze will give you that space. Oh. Gade, respect talents. Great. Talent, you are doing well. Where is Joa Young? So where are you? You are lagging behind. Someone that joined the class today he want to push you back. Oh, don't accept that. Okay. Gade. That's great. That's great. I'm going to ask something here. Let me challenge some of you. Okay, let's separate the wheat from the chaff. Let's know who actually will be the class captain with few addition. And the addition now is right to. Right to. Right to. What is that in Igbo? Right to. Right to. Remember, this is a suffix of the same parent word. They. Right to. What is that in Igbo? Let me pull your legs more. Right to. Because some of you already know some of these things. You have practiced it before. Or you've had it before, either in private lesson or in previous classes, or your notes, or your ebook. You must have seen them. So let me add something different. Right to. Chikeze has written the gara or the ma. Let me see what other people will say. Right to. Right to. Ngwa. Cameroon Bonye. Let's know who is who. We have to do a separation now. Right to. No one is responding again. Only the class captain has written something. What are the rest doing? What are you doing? Right to. Right to. Ngwa. Ana me check you. Waiting for you. Game is up. Game up, game up, game up. Right to is what? No one else is trying. Are you surrendering this class to Chikezie now? Okay. Respect. Please always listen so that you will you get what I say properly. I say right to. I didn't say go and write. I say write to. I didn't say he's writing to. I say write to. This is just a single word that portrays, you know, an action, but it's like an instruction. Okay, write to. Okay, you say, so you don't need to add anything extra to it so that you don't miss the mark. Okay, let's see what Igbo wrote. Igbo wrote, Respect wrote Odegara. Igbo wrote Gadere. Gadere ya. Okay. Igbo, you are still saying go and write. I don't catch you now. They don't show you seniority now. Okay? You are still writing go and write. Go and write him. Go and write to him. But I say write to. Okay? The word is the gara, just like Chikeze wrote it. And the talent also tried to do that, but he added O in front of his own to spoil whatever he has done. It is actually the gara, the gara. He may not have two A at the back of G. One A is enough, the gara, okay? One A is enough, the gara, right to. Those of you that have not hit the like button for this class, you are not showing love to this teacher. You are not showing support enough to this teacher, and that is not fair. That is not fair. Just to hit the like button is difficult for you to do. Why? I'm sure some of you have not even shared this video, and that is not fair enough. Be fair to your teacher. Oh. It's not easy to come here every day and sit down. Do research and take my time out, leave my every other schedule to come around to teach for free. So if I say you should just show support by liking the video, that will not be too much now. Okay, or sharing it, that shouldn't be too much for you. So please, the gara, that is the word, right to, the gara. Okay, so let's come back and have our sentences now, beginning with they, which is right. The first sentence is, write your name here. Write your name here. Write your name here. Oh yeah, let's write that in Igbo language. Write your name here. Ngwa. Igbo has written, the ahagi eba. Igbo. You dey challenge you. You dey challenge you. The ahagi eba. Igbo, you dey challenge you. You don't agree. Ikwechiri ekwechi o. Adekwa egwu. Two people have written, write your name here. Write your name here. Mada abụọ edego. Olee ihe ndị na-eche? What are you waiting for? Talent, where are you? Ezenwa, where are you? Princess. You have disappeared or you are still in the class. Are you still here? Ezenwa. Let me know you are still in the class. Okay? Now let's move on. Any other person contributing? Write your name here. Write your name here. Two people have written. Let's mark it. Since they have gotten the answers, we don't need to wait. De ahagi eba. That's correct. De ahagi eba. They are correct. The two responses are perfect. Write your name here. De ahagi eba. We'll move to the next one because we want to see if we can cover more. To write, which means ide in Igbo language. Ide, to write. Okay? The sentence is, I'm going to write them. I'm going to write them. I'm going to write them. Or let me say, I want to write them. I want to write them. Because I'm going to write them may be confusing. It may be interpreted in different ways. So let's say, I want to write them. Igbo has written. Okay, okay, okay. You see the confusion I was talking about? When I say, I'm going to write them, it's going to confuse people. Okay, it's going to confuse. So that's why I prefer to say, I want to write them. It's better to understand. And that is why we had Igbo missing it the first time, and then coming back to get it now. I want to write them. Achoro m ide ha. Achoro m ide ha. These people, two people are competing for class captainship now. Although Chikeze has an edge because he got the Gara, Igbo didn't get it. But Igbo is contending. Let's see how it goes. Okay, those responses are correct. Those of you who are not responding, better be writing. Better be writing. If you cannot contribute, be sure you are writing, copying. Princess Ezenwa, ask whether you are here. Okay, okay. Princess Ezenwa, she can still say, okay, I'm going to write them. Anamaga ideha, okay, that's it, correct. Agamagi ideha, correct. Okay. See the confusion there. A lot of versions to it. I'm going to write them. Anamagideha, Agamagideha. And both are correct. Both are correct. Anamagideha, Agamagideha. They are all correct. That's why I left that sentence alone, because it has a lot of confusion, different interpretation. Princess Ezewa, confirm that you are still in the class. Just say, I'm still here. Let me hear you. Let me see you. I'm still here. That's what I want to hear from you. Okay? So we move on. These responses are correct. We move on. And those two people are showing mastery of Igbo language already. Let's see how it goes. We move on to roots, past tense of write. Okay? They wrote a letter to us. They wrote a letter to us. But it's going to a little bit alter the original word. They wrote us a letter. They wrote us a letter. Let's see. Let's see how it goes. They wrote us a letter. What is that in Igbo? What is that in Igbo? Ha dere anyị letter. Ọ dị mma. Oh, yeah, no. Igbo. You have Igbo-nized letter. That's fine. I love that. If you don't go up, you must go down. If you can't understand the English you want, Igbo-nize whatever you say is accepted. Ha detere anyị ozi. Okay? Igbo. Chikeze is showing you seniority. He's showing you seniority in this matter. Okay, ha dere anyị. Okay, letter. Ha detaere anyị akwụkwọ ozi. Okay, that sounds more professional than ha dere anyị letter. But ha dere anyị letter is also correct. Oh. It's also correct. Oh. The simple version of it. Ha dere anyị letter. But I'm only going to correct letter. Akwụkwọ ozi is letter. Igbo, take that from Chikezie. Akwụkwọ ozi is letter. It's not letter. You don't Igbonize it as you try to do. So take note of that. That akwụkwọ ozi means letter in Igbo. Igbo, take note. Letter is akwụkwọ ozi. Take note of that. Okay? We'll move on. But I love that effort by Igbo. It's a good try. I've said it earlier. If you don't know the English, Igbonize whatever you have. And that is what she's doing. I love that. So, okay, let me go to write to. Okay? Write to. Write to them tomorrow. Write to them tomorrow. Write to them tomorrow. What is the Igbo version? Write to them tomorrow. Yes, the garaha echi. You are still missing something. The garaha echi. Okay, I know the gara is right too. You just interpreted it the way I said it, word for word. But there could be a better way of saying it. Let's see what Chikeze come up with. But you tried. Good effort. Write to them tomorrow. Let's see what Chikeze comes up with and compare the two and pick our choice. The gara akwụkwọ ozi echi. Okay. Even though what I wanted to draw out from here, because I'm waiting for Chikeze, I know he's going to add something to it. Though I did not say write letter to them tomorrow, it's assumed that when I say write to them, we are going to write letter to them, a mystery to them. We are not just going to, write empty. Once you say write to somebody, it's assumed that the person knows you're going to write a letter to that person. So you will know and add akwụkwọ ozi to it on your own, knowing fully well that you cannot write empty something. You are going to write a letter or a mystery or message. So that's why adding akwụkwọ ozi is more accepted. You don't just say, they gotta hate you, they gotta have. You are going to write something to them. So they gotta have akwụkwọ ozi echi. But literal interpretation, Igbo is correct. They gotta have echi. Literally interpreting what I say the way it appears, word for word. That's fine. But we know that what you are writing is letter, akwụkwọ ozi. So we add it to the interpretation. They gotta have akwụkwọ ozi echi. So that's why I'm picking Chikeze's own to be the right response. They gotta have akwụkwọ ozi echi. Write to them tomorrow. Igbo, does that make sense to you? Or you think the teacher is trying to cheat you in this class? He's supporting Chikeze against you. Is that what you are thinking? Let me know how you feel. He is my senior man. So you surrender now. I'm afraid you are thinking I'm becoming partial. So I have to say that, that I'm not partial. We are all learning. And it's just good to learn from those who know more than us. That's the beauty of being in life class. Now, no wahala. I will not give up. You cannot give up. If you try, I'm saying. Even if you give up, I'll come and carry you from your house. You must continue learning until you can speak Igbo very well to my brother and to our children. If you stop. If you try. So continue making effort. Yeah, let's move on. Some of you who are in this class, it's like Princess Eze have left this class. I asked her to confirm whether she's still in class. She didn't do that. I hope she has not left the class. Who else? I didn't hear from again. Some other person that joined the class. How about my friend? Those are newcomers. Respect talent. Are you still here? Are you still here? How about our wife to be? How about Zoe and Young? Are you still here? And how about Rag? Rag, are you still here? Okay. Are you still here, Mr. Rag? Rags, are you still here? Confirm if you are all still here. I want to be sure you are still in class. Okay. And those of you who have not, hit the like button for this video, who have not shared this live session, I'm tempted to say you are not supporting me enough. But all the same, I say thank you for coming to class. Okay. Move on to the next one. Will write. Will write. Okay. I will write their names in the book. I will write their names in the book. What does that mean in Igbo language? Can you help me write it in Igbo language? I will write their names in the book. Let's interpret that, translate that, and write it in Igbo language. Remember, the parent verb we're dealing with is write, they, and we're breaking it into different usages in sentences and different meanings, using them to form sentences to broaden our knowledge of that Igbo particular word. And we're doing it for many verbs. This is Igbo verb game. In case you are just joining us or you are seeing this live session, this is free Igbo class, Igbo language class, free, but it's live. So you can always come here every Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigerian time, 1300 GMT, to exercise your knowledge of Igbo language, exercise your brain, your understanding of the sounds, and then learn more from the one you've known before, measure your level of progress in Igbo language learning. So it's always a fun time being with us here every Saturday. So make it a date with us, and you'll be glad you did. We are talking about we write, and I say you should write something. I've made a sentence. Aga m ede aha ha n'akwụkwọ. Aga m ede aha ha n'akwụkwọ. Two of you don't agree. Okay, the competition continues. And those responses are correct. I will write their name in the book. Agam ede ahaha n'akwụkwọ. Those responses are correct. Agam ede ahaha n'akwụkwọ. Responses are perfect. Chikezies respond, and the Igbo is Adumije. Your responses are perfect. I will write their name in the book. Agam ede ahaha n'akwụkwọ. Let's move to is writing. Is writing in Igbo, it means na-ede. Na-ede is a phrasal verb of present continuous. Na-ede is writing. Let's have a sentence for this. He is writing his exam. He is writing his exam. Write that in Igbo language. He is writing his exam. Please, as you join this class, you do me a favor, show us love by hitting the like button, show us support by sharing this live session, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done that, hit notification bell so that you can be notified when we upload new video or announce our next live teaching, free live classes. Do that now, okay? And welcome to class. Some of us have not still hit the like button. That is not fair. Okay? He is writing exam. Let's see the responses. What do we have here? Igbo wrote, on a day exam, yeah. Chikezie, on a day ule, yeah. The one thing I like with Igbo is that she will not give up. And she is showing dexterity, trying to maximize her knowledge of Igbo, using whatever she can use. Whatever she don't know, she Igbonize it. That is the spirit of an Igbo person. We don't give up. So Igbo, ikwechi, jisike. Okay, on a day exam ya, on a day ule ya. The only difference is ule and exam. From the two responses, both are correct. But except that you need to learn from this, that the meaning of exam is ule from Chikeze's response. Ule is exam. So and that's the beauty of your trial. You learn something that you don't know immediately and internalize it, it becomes yours. Onede Uleya is writing his exam. Perfect. Okay. I'm not getting any other response from anybody except these two people. Maybe it's too hard for others. I don't know. So the next is go and write or go write. Okay. Go write. Go write what you need. Go write what you need. Write that in Igbo language. Go write what you need. Write that in Igbo language. Go write what you need. Let's see what you come up with. Oh yeah, write it in the chat. Let's see what you come up with. Go write what you need. Okay? Go write what you need. What is that in Igbo language? Go write what you need. Boy, you forgot. I think you wanted to write ga, but you wrote da. That should be typographical error. You correct it. I know it's a mistake. I know that is a mistake. Correct that. Where you wrote DAA, I know that's not what you meant. You know more than that. So do your correction. Go write what you want. Boy, I'm waiting for your correction before I mark. I am waiting for your correction before I mark. Okay? Gade ihe ichoro. That's it. Gade ihe ichoro. Perfect. Perfect. Two of you are really on fire today. Gade ihe ichoro. I didn't see Zoan Young again. I don't know whether he has left. Okay. Princess Ezenwa, I didn't see you again. I didn't get your response. You didn't answer my questions. I hope you have not left the class. Okay, we go to next verb now. And the next verb is da, da, da. Write that for us. Write that for us. Yes. Da, da. Da, correct. What does that mean in Igbo language? Give me the meaning. Da. What is the meaning of da in Igbo language? DAA. What does that mean? Yes, waiting for you. In case you are seeing us now on your screen, on your homepage, we are teaching Igbo language free of charge. This is free Igbo language teaching class. We come on board every Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigerian time, 1300 GMT. So wherever you are, see me now, Igbo language, you are highly welcome from any part of the world. Take advantage of this opportunity, learn Igbo language wherever you are, free of charge, no payment for it. Just join the class, have your writing materials, listen, participate, watch others, and what they do, learn from others, learn from the teacher, and then go out better, a better speaker of Igbo language, a better, a better person who knows more of Igbo language than ever before. It doesn't matter whether you subscribe to other channels or not. It doesn't matter even if you have Igbo teaching channel, you can come here and add knowledge to what you know before and use it even for your own advantage. So wherever you are, join up now. Let's learn together. Others can also learn from you if you know more, just like they do. GKZ do here. Okay, that means fall, prostrate or fall. Okay, I think it's simply fall. Okay, now let's break it down. Okay, I say I'm going to add something to this as suffix. Okay. Okay, I'm going to add some suffixes to this. Okay. So we want to expand our knowledge a little bit. So I added fewer things to it. So that first beginning means fall. To fall means what in Igbo language? To fall. What does that mean? Yes, Igbo, you do well. Okay, what is to fall in Igbo language? Ida. That is what Chikeze wrote. Yes, Igbo, what did you write? To fall. Ida. Correct. Those responses are correct. To fall means Ida in Igbo language. Da means fall. Ida means to fall. Ida. Let's go on. Now, fell, past tense of fall, is what in Igbo language? To fell. Fell, past tense of fall, is what in Igbo language? Oh, thank God, Zoe and Young. I don't know you are still around. What happened? You are busy with work. Or what? Why are you not responding to questions? Princess Ezenwa, I don't know whether you are also still around. What is happening today? Okay, I'm talking about fell, past tense of fall. What is that? Kezi has written. Okay, Igbo has written. Zoe and Young has written. Fine. I guess Zoe Young was distracted by something because I know if he's in class, he would have been responding. Maybe he just logged in and he was busy doing something else. Fine. So fall, or fair rather, past tense of fall is dara. You are correct. D-A-R-A, dara. That's correct. Now let's expand it a little bit. Dapo. Oh, I've even said it to you. Okay, what is dapo in Igbo? In English, rather, since I've said it in Igbo. Dapo. What is that? In English, dapo. First, you write it in the chat, and you tell me the meaning in English. Dapo. Dapo. Chikezie wrote fall out. Please write the spelling for those who don't know it. Okay? Fall out. Okay? Yeah, fall out. Write the spelling of dapo for those who don't know it. Dapo. Okay? That is dapo. Correct. Okay, so who else has any other option? Chikezie says fall out. Dapo, fall out. Any other option for the word dapo? Any other option? Okay. Zoe and Young, your dapo is not correct. The you should have dot. The you should have dot under it. Talking to Zoe and Young. Okay. Any other option for the meaning of dapo? Any other option? These additional options I'm adding is important also to you, Zoe Young, because you have done some of these things in private lesson, but I'm adding more to it so that it doesn't look, too familiar to you. You need to learn something new from the class today. So I'm adding more options and more variations to it. So we now have dapo. Ibo wrote fall off, drop off. Okay. Clement Emehe Dewo, non class. Fall out, dapo, correct. So your responses are correct. Dapo, fall out, fell off, fall out, they are all correct. Dapo. Okay. How about fall in? What is that in Igbo? Fall in. You have said fall out, the reverse, the opposite. Fall in. What is the meaning? What is the Igbo version for fall in? The reverse of fall out, fall in. What is that in Igbo? Chikeze has written. Any other person? Any option again? Fall in, the direct opposite of fall out. Fall in. What is that in Igbo language? Ngwa. Okay. Daba. Okay. Danye. Okay. Any other option? Boyibo, where are you? Fire up. Clement Emehen, fire on. What is fall in? We've said fall out is dapo. Fall in is what? Opposite. Waiting for your responses. Only Chikeze has responded. Only Chikeze has responded. Waiting for others. Please, if you have not hit the like button for this live session, you are not doing well. Please hit the like button, whether it's below your screen or above. Look for it. Hit the like button. Hit the share button for this video live session to go out to more people so that they can join in. Subscribe to our channel if you have not done so. Hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss our future upload or announcement for our next live class. Okay. Now we're talking about fall in. Igbo wrote daba. Chikeze wrote daba or danye. Okay, and he also wrote dabenye. Okay, Clement wrote daba. Okay, now I'm not going to accept dabanye because it does not sound professional. It's not widely accepted. What is widely accepted is danye or daba. Both can be managed. Okay, daba or danye, fall in. Okay, that is correct. Danye or daba, fall in. Okay, danye or daba, they are accepted. Okay, so we expanded it a little bit. So let's have our sentences now, beginning with da, fall. Okay. Don't let him fall. Don't let him fall. Yes, write that in Igbo language. Don't let him fall. They are not so Igbo. They are not so Igbo. Don't let him fall. They are not so Igbo. Write it in Igbo language. Osiso. Osiso. Okay, na akwụkwọ. Ọ dị mma. Ahụla m nke Chikezie, onye na-ede ọzọ. Ke onye ọzọ na-ede, who else is writing? Ana m eche gị. Don't let it fall. Don't let it fall. Write that in Igbo language. My students today, they are stubborn. They are stubborn. Just to hit like button for my video, for this live session, they refuse to do that. Only few people did it. Now, wow. When I get mine today, it's well, how am I sure you are even hitting the share button to share this live session? How am I sure you are sharing it? It's unfair. Okay, I go on. Now, we are talking about don't let it fall. Okay, let's see the responses Chikeze has written. Boyibo has written, ekwela ka ọ daa, ekwela ka ọ daa. Zoa Young, ekwela ka ọ daa. Great. I love those responses. I expected these three people to compete favorably for certain reasons. Chikezie has a better Igbo background and understanding. Igbo is coming up seriously by virtue of private classes she's having with me. The same with Zoe and Young, they have private classes with me, so they are bound to perform better. So if you also want to catch up and be at their pace or even overtake them, it's also good to consider enrolling in our private classes. And if you're interested, you just send us an email to theibotutor@gmail.com. We'll welcome you and then schedule your class. These people also, most of them have bought our ebooks, and those ebooks are so helpful, so instrumental to their progress, learning Igbo language. And then if you buy the ebooks, you have a double advantage. It's like putting the teacher beside you wherever you are, because the ebooks are unique in the sense that they have text, pictures, and audio all in one. With that ebook, you can always hear the teacher talking to you wherever you are, even when you are offline, because you are going to download the audio and the ebook. You look at the book, you listen to the teacher speaking to you and explaining the content to you, pronouncing everything correctly, reading it for you. So it's like you're taking your teacher along wherever you are going. You play the audio as MP3 in your car, listen to it when you are cooking or doing laundry, wherever you are. When you are offline, you can still play it. So if you've not bought those books, you are missing something. How do you get the books? Very simple. Look at the description box of this particular video when they'll be uploaded into our channel, into our homepage. Not only that, go to our homepage, open up the channel description, the main description of the channel. You see a link to our bookshop. If you open this video description when it's uploaded, you will see a link to our bookshop there in the description box. Okay? Hit it, go to our community page, community tab in our homepage, hit community. You will see adverts of all our books lined up there. Each of them comes with the link to our bookshop. So you can always hit the link and it will land you in our bookshop where you can make your choice. Just pay and download your books, and there you go. And the books are so cheap. Between $1 to $3, you buy any of them. And you can't get a better value anywhere where you have audio, text, pictures for that ridiculous price. And they are for permanent keeps because you download them for life and use them permanently. You can print them if you want. So what are you waiting for? Get those books today if you have not done that, and you'll be glad you did. We move on. We are talking about Ekwelaka, order, and let me look at the responses. Chikeze wrote Ekwelaka order, Ibo wrote Ekwelaka order, Zoayonya wrote Ekwelaka order. All of you are correct, except that the E can stand alone, okay? It can also be written together like some of you did. So either alone or together with Kwela, both are correct. So they are fine, no problem. Your responses are correct. Those of you who are our new students in class, did you hear what I said about how to get our ebooks? If you have heard that and you understand what I said, please indicate they are clear enough to you on how to get our ebooks, special ebooks that will help to facilitate or hasten your learning speed very quick. So we go to second sentence to fall. Either. He wanted to fall. He wanted to fall. He wanted to fall. Very simple, at least for those who are coming newly. He wanted to fall. Write that in Igbo language. He wanted to fall. Yes, write that. He wanted to fall. Write that in Igbo language. Waiting for you. Very simple one indeed. He wanted to fall. Yes. Who is writing that? He wanted to fall. Waiting for you. Write that. Very simple sentence. Chikeze has written. He wanted to fall. Okay, Clement has written. Chikeze has written. Who else is coming in? Ibo, Zoe and Young. Waiting for you. Waiting for you. Ọ chọrọ ịda. Ọ chọrọ buru ịda. Ọ chọrọ ịda. Ọ chọburu ịda. Okay. Okay. We're going to look at all of them and see which one is most appropriate. Ọ chọrọ ịda. Ọ chọrọ buru ịda. Ọ chọburu ịda. Ọ chọrọ ịda. Ọ chọburu ịda. Okay. Let's look at the responses and mark the script now. He wanted to fall. Ọ chọburu. Ọ chọrọ. Okay, Chike had corrected this one to ọ chọburu ịda. Clement wrote ọ chọrọ ịda. No, that's too many. It's ọ chọrọ ịda. Okay, Zoanyong Ochororo Ida. No, too wrong, too long. Why too long? Why did you modify Choro to Chororo? I don't like that. Chikeze wrote Ochoburuida. Ibo wrote Ochoburuida. Which one is correct? Let's do that. Let me begin from the one that is not correct. Ochororo is not correct. Anywhere it's written Ochororo, it's not correct. Ochoroburu is not correct. Let's look at Ochoro Ida and Ochoburu Ida. These are the two I want to analyze. Ochoro Ida, Ochoburu Ida. Which one is correct? Ochoro Ida, he wanted to fall. Ochoburu Ida, he had wanted to fall. That's not the difference. He had wanted to fall. He had wanted to fall. Ochoburu Ida, he had wanted to do so. Okay, that is Ochoburu Ida, that Chikeze wrote, and the Igbo tried to write also, Ochoburu Ida, he had wanted to fall. But he wanted to fall is simply Ochoro Ida. You don't need to make it look so cumbersome. Ochoro Ida is okay. Not even double O, Ochoro Ida, he wanted to fall. But he had wanted to fall, Ochoburu Ida. That is where we can use that. Hope that makes sense. Do you agree with me? If you do, say yes, or give me a thumbs up. Give your teacher a thumbs up if you agree with me that Ochoburi, that is he had wanted to fall. Then Ochoroi, that is he wants to fall. Okay, or he wanted to fall. If you agree with me, give your teacher a thumbs up. Yes, who is giving me thumbs up? If you disagree, give me a thumbs down. If you disagree, thumbs down. If you agree with me, thumbs up. That Ochoroida means he wanted to fall. And the Ochoburuida is he had wanted to fall. If you agree with me, give me a thumbs up. If you say no, thumbs down. Waiting for your response. Okay? Remember, this is a live session, and we are using live chats to communicate and discuss. And so if you think we're doing well and you want to show us love, don't forget you can send us a super chat, a super sticker, even as we are discussing now. You can highlight your chat with a super sticker. Just hit the dollar sign below, beside your chat box as you are typing by your right-hand side. You hit the dollar sign and select the amount you want to use to highlight your sentence or your chat or your comment, or buy us a sticker. We will appreciate that. No support is small in this respect. Okay, God bless you as you do so. We'll move on. I'm not yet seeing any response from my students about what I explained now. Could it be that they don't understand what I said? Or network is hindering their response? Which one? Thumbs up is not coming in. Thumbs down is not coming in. Or what is happening? As I'm waiting for your reaction to that, I move on. Charles Ubochi, you're welcome to class. Charles Ubochi. No. Okay. Is it you that promised to buy our ebooks last time, but you didn't buy again? Charles Ubochi. I think you promised last time to buy our ebooks, but you didn't do so. Okay, I will need to remind you again. Maybe you forgot. Okay, we go on to fail. Fail. Let's make a sentence with that. Fail. Okay. She fell while running. She fell while running. She fell while running. I thought Ochoreda, he wants to fall. Okay? He wants to fall. He wants to fall. He wanted to fall. And he wants to fall. Both are virtually the same. He wanted to fall. He wanted to fall. They are just virtually the same. But he had wanted to fall is Ochoburu Ida. Okay, Ochoburida, he had wanted to fall. That is a more appropriate version for that. He wants to fall and he wanted to fall. Both are virtually the same thing, no difference. He wants to fall, he wanted to fall. Okay, so, but he wanted to fall, Ochoburu Ida is more appropriate for that. Okay, Chikezie, he had wanted to fall, Ochoburu Ida is more appropriate. Okay, think about it. Think about it. Okay, we are moving on, and where we are is she fell while running. I think that's what I said earlier. And then I asked us to write it in Igbo language. She fell while running. She fell while running. Yeah, write it in Igbo language. She fell while running. Ngwa, ana m eche gị. She fell while running. Write that in Igbo language. Ngwa, ọsịsọ, dee ya n'asụsụ Igbo. She fell while running. Wherever you are, see me now. You are home page, and then you are able to hear what we are saying. No, this is free Igbo language live class. We are live. So if you are interested in learning Igbo language, if you have any connection to Igbo language by birth, by marriage, by business association, by friendship, whatever it is, and you want to communicate in Igbo language effectively, this is where to be. Join this live class now. This is a free live class, no subscription, no payment. Just join and start learning immediately. So wherever you are in any part of the world, take advantage of this to learn Igbo language today. I bet you if you join this class, you will not leave this class without knowing far more than you knew before in Igbo language. Being able to say one or two things, communicate effectively in Igbo language. So join up now on our boso. Okay, we're moving on to the next sentence we're dealing with. She fell while running. I'm waiting for responses. Only Chikezie has written. I don't know what others are waiting for. I think network is holding us back a little bit because responses are coming in a little bit late. But it's better than to be cut off entirely, like last Saturday. Still better today. Okay. So I got only one response, waiting for the rest to come in. At least we should have 2 or 3 before we mark. Whenever we have more responses coming in, it's always better because it affords us the opportunity to make corrections, make adjustments, explain some things like we did in the previous one, because people will come up with different ideas, and that will give us something to talk about. So feel free to send in your response, whether you think they are correct or not. It doesn't really matter. Okay? Bring it in. Let's analyze them, and let's bring out the best option. Through that, all of us will learn. Okay? Charles Uboch. Nwanyị dara ada mgbe ọ na-agba ọsọ. Okay? She fell while running. That is the sentence. 2 people have responded. Are we expecting more? Yes, we are expecting more. But nevertheless, go on and start marking now. Because we already have things to discuss. Ọ dara mgbe ọ na-agba ọsọ. That Chikezie, Clement has come in. Ọ dara mgbe na-agba ọsọ. Okay? So we now have ọ dara mgbe ọ na-agba ọsọ. We have ọ dara mgbe na-agba ọsọ. We have nwanyị dara ada mgbe ọ na-agba ọsọ. So which ones are correct here? I say she fell while running. Of course, I know that we're talking about woman here, a woman. But we don't need to emphasize that when we are writing. We only use the pronoun. Pronoun. The pronoun for he or she is up, no distinction. In fact, even it, the pronoun is still up. Okay, no distinction. Or O. So you don't need to really say nwanyi dara for us to know it's a woman. Okay, just O is enough for that. Okay, so but if we say the woman fell while running, you can now say emphasize it. Nwanyi ahụ dara. Okay, but if it is he or she, the pronoun for Igbo is O, no distinction for sex, right? So that is for correction for Charles Ubochi. So ọ dara mgbe ọ na-agba ọsọ is okay. Clement dere ọ dara mgbe na-agba ọsọ, you omitted ọ na-agba ọsọ. Ọ should be there, okay? Zoa Young ọ dara mgbe na-agba ọsọ. Okay, you still say the same thing. It's not mgbe na-agba ọsọ, it's mgbe ọ na-agba ọsọ. Okay, she fell while running. You interpreted it word for word, and you did not remember to add "or" again because she is the one running. Mgbe ọ na-agba ọsọ, why she's running. Even though I didn't she again, but it has to be there in the Igbo version to make it correct. So, ọ dara mgbe ọ na-agba ọsọ is the correct version. Let others learn from that. Now we go to we fall. Okay, the fruit will fall from the tree. The fruit will fall from the tree. Ngwa, oruwe na ume. Dee ya n'asụsụ Igbo. The fruit will fall from the tree. Write it in Igbo language. The fruit will fall from the tree. Dee ya n'asụsụ Igbo. Write it in Igbo language. Ngwa, fire on now. Fire it now. No wasting of time at all. The fruit fell from the tree. Write it in Igbo language. Oh, the fruit. Did I say the fruit will fail? Not fail. Will fall. Will fall. Will fall. I think it's will fall we're talking about. We finish fail. Okay? We're talking about will fall. The fruit will fall from the tree. That's what we're talking about. Waiting for you. Fire it now. The fruit will fall from the tree. Ngwa, dee ya ọsịsọ. Mkpụrụ osisi ga-ede n'osisi. I think so. This is a typographical error. Correct yourself. It's not ga-ede. Write the correct thing. I know it's a typographical error from Zoa Young. So correct yourself. I know you know what you want to write or you wanted to write. So correct yourself. Mkpụrụ osisi ga-ede. But is that what you mean? I'm sure it's not what you meant. Okay? So do your correction while I wait for others to come in. If you have not hit the like button, you are not doing well, do it now. The fruits will fall from the tree. That's what I say, fruits, the fruit of the tree. So remember what we're talking about, the fruit of that particular tree will fall from it. If you have not hit the like button, you are not supporting us. You are not our supporter. If you have not hit the share button, you are not our supporter. Yes, I say so. You don't like your Igbo teacher. You just want to come and learn. You don't support us. You don't like us. You don't share our video. You don't do anything. You just learn and go away. You don't give us a super chat. You don't give us super sticker. You don't give us super thanks for those of you who are going to watch later on our homepage. There is a button for super thanks there. Appreciate us. Okay, let's see the options we have. Let's see the options we have. Okay. What do we have here? Okay, Charles wrote aqua. No. Charles, I've asked you to correct this. Murosiga danosis. Okay, Zoe and Young have done some correction. Okay, let's look at them here. Charles wrote aqua gada nosis no gada ba sitenosis. No, there is nothing like aqua in what we say or aqua. Is Chikeze wrote Murosigi sinosisi ahunda. That's great. That's great. Murosigi sinosisi ahunda. That's great. Or gaada sinosisi. Murosisi gaada sinosisi. Clement Emehe, I agree with you too. Both are correct. Mkpụrụ osisi ga-esi n'osisi ahụ daa and mkpụrụ osisi ga-ada si n'osisi ọ ga-esi n'osisi daa. Mkpụrụ osisi ga-esi n'osisi daa ọ ga-ada si n'osisi. Both are correct. Okay, Zo and Young. Mkpụrụ osisi ga-ada n'osisi. You should add si n'osisi. Okay, Chikezie mkpụrụ osisi ga-esi n'osisi ya daa. Okay, also correct. Ga-esi n'osisi daa. Okay, mkpụrụ osisi ga-esi n'osisi daa. Mkpụrụ osisi ga-esi n'osisi ahụ daa. Mkpụrụ osisi ga-ada site n'osisi or si n'osisi. All are correct. Different versions for different people, but the main idea has been conveyed. The main idea has been conveyed. Okay, we are talking about is falling now. Nada, nada. The sentence is leaves are falling, or leaf is falling. Leaf is falling from the tree. Again, I'm using the tree again. Leaf is falling from the tree. Leaf, the leaf of the tree, is falling from the tree. Okay? What do we have in Igbo? Leaf is falling from the tree. Leaf of the tree is falling from the tree. Give us the Igbo version. What's it so? Give us the Igbo version of that sentence. Give us the Igbo version. Wherever you are, see me now. You are interested in learning Igbo language. You have a connection with Igbo, born by Igbo parents to Igbo business partner, friend, lover of Igbo. Wherever you are in any part of the world, are you interested in learning and speaking Igbo language? This is where to be. Now, this is free Igbo class, live class, where we challenge ourselves, our understanding of the language, expand our knowledge from other people that know more than us, from the teacher, from our colleagues. I will share ideas. They will call it Let's Talk Igbo Language Live. So wherever you are, this is where to be at this hour. If you're seeing me or hearing me now, get on and let's learn Igbo language. Okay? This is the Igbo tutor, Mazi Okafo. We are moving on. So we are saying leaf fell from the tree. We should write that in Igbo language. Somebody wrote, Ahihia sinosisi nada. Did I say is falling? Yes, that's correct. That's what I said. Is falling. Leaf is falling from the tree. Yes, that's what I said. Zoayon said, akwụkwọ osisi na-ada n'osisi. Okay, good effort. Where is Emehem? And who again? Clement Emehem. Where's Charles Ubosh? Where are you? I'm expecting your responses. Charles Ubosh and Clement Emehem. Oh, Clement has written. Zoe has written. Okay. Okay. Chikeze has written. Okay. Let's see what you wrote. Ahihia si n'osisi na-ada. Akwụkwọ osisi na-ada n'osisi. Akwụkwọ osisi na-ada si n'osisi ahụ. Okay. Akwụkwọ osisi or akwa osisi. Akwụkwọ ya is correct. Akwụkwọ osisi, leaf. I'm talking about the leaf. So it's not ahihia as in what Chikeze wrote. It's not grasses. It's not anything waste. It's the leaf of the tree. So it's not going to be ahihia. It's not waste material. It's not ahihia, but actually akwụkwọ osisi. That is the leaf of the tree. I mentioned it, leaf of the tree. So his akwụkwọ osisi is correct. Those who use akwụkwọ osisi are correct. Akwụkwọ osisi na-ada n'osisi, but it should have been si n'osisi na-ada. Zo and Young should have been si n'osisi na-ada. It's falling from the tree. Let's see what Clement wrote. Akwụkwọ osisi na-ada si n'osisi ahụ. Okay? But the arrangement is not perfect. Akwụkwọ osisi si n'osisi na-ada. That is the perfect arrangement. Clement Emehe. Akwụkwọ osisi si n'osisi na-ada. That is the perfect arrangement. So you got to rearrange it that way. Okay. Just like Chikezie wrote, ahịhịa si n'osisi na-ada. The only thing that is wrong in his answer is that it's not ahịhịa, but rather akwụkwọ osisi. Okay? That is what we'll accept, not ahịhịa. It's not just any ahịhịa for that matter. So we go to dapu, fall off or fall out. Dapu. Okay. Let's go back to mkpụrụ osisi. Mkpụrụ osisi. Okay. Fruits. Fruit fall off or fell off from the basket. Fruit fall off from or fell off from the basket. Yeah, we're going to get the same result in Igbo. Fruit fell off from the basket. What is that in Igbo? The fruit fell off from the basket. At least you learn basket here. The meaning of basket, if you have not known that before. Fruit fell off from the basket. Write that in Igbo. Fruit fell off from the basket. Okay. One response in already. Let's see what others got. Mkpụrụ osisi si na nkata dapụ. That what you can zero. J Oku. J Oku. Thank you for your, applause. J Oku. Thank you for your applause. God bless you. Thank you for coming into class. Please, let's do this together. Let's work to preserve Igbo language, perpetuate it in our children, help those who are in need. That's why we are here. Okay, I'm waiting for more response. And the word is, the fruit fell off from the basket. Let's write that in Igbo language. Fruit fell off from the basket. Only one response coming. What are the rest doing? Yes. If you just join this class, you do us a favor, hit the like button, hit the share button, subscribe to our channel if you have not done that, hit the notification bell so that you get notified for our next live class or video upload. Remember, we have ebooks that are unique in nature. They have both audio, text, pictures. And they will help every learner, even our children, to learn very fast. And to get them is very easy. You check the description box of this video, you see a link to our bookshop. Go to our homepage and open our channel description. You'll see a link to our bookshop. Check our community tab. You'll see all the books we've written advertised there and the link to our bookshop all displayed. Hit the link, it will take you to our shop. Download whatever you want to download and pay. And also when you open your book, you can download the audio separately, listen to it while you go through your book for permanent keep. So that even when you are offline, you can listen to me speaking and reading your book for you and explaining the content clearly. Take advantage of it today, and you'll be glad you did. So who are buying the books after this class? Let's know. Okay, we move on. Let's see the responses. Mkpụrụ osisi si na nkata dapụ. Zoa Young wrote, mkpụrụ osisi dapụ na nkata. You would have written dapụrụ na nkata. I would have accepted that. But si na nkata dapụ is better. Mkpụrụ osisi dapụ na nkata. If you have written dapụrụ na nkata, I would have accepted because I said fell off. So it should have been past tense, dapụrụ. But if you also write si na nkata dapụ like Chikezie wrote, is also correct, fell off. Okay. Igbo wrote mkpụrụ osisi dapụrụ na nkata. I did not accept. I say you either use dapụrụ na nkata, which is the past tense, or si na nkata dapụ. Either of the two is accepted here. Mkpụrụ osisi si na nkata dapụ. Mkpụrụ osisi dapụrụ na nkata. Either of the two is okay. But one thing is very responses. You all know the meaning of basket, which is nkata. Most of you got it right. And those who don't know it, you should be able to learn from others that nkata means basket. That's great. So let's reverse it. The fruit fell into the basket. The fruit fell into the basket. Fruit fell into the basket. Oh yeah, give me the sentence. Fruit fell into the basket. What do you have? Give me the sentence. Fruit fell into the basket. Yes. Fruit fell into the basket. The reverse. The reverse. The reverse. Okay? The reverse. The reverse. Fruit fell into the basket. I'm sorry for those who joined late, but our time is 2 p.m. Nigerian time, 1300 GMT. So we encourage you to always come in on time so we can cover enough before our time is exhausted. But most of us always come in late, which is not fair enough. So those who are just joining now, you are joining very late because we're about rounding up this class now for today. We started by 2 p.m. This is getting to 1 hour, 30 minutes. We can't go beyond that. Okay, so we encourage you to always join earlier. Mark it to your calendar, schedule your time and your program so you can join us by 2 p.m. Nigerian time or 1300 GMT. You're using world time. That is very important so we don't keep people here too long. That will discourage some people. And then those who are going to watch this video later, when they are uploaded into our channel, may not be encouraged when they look at the length of the video. So it's important that we join early so that we can maintain 1 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes latest, or at most, so that it can be watchable, and then people will not be bored or stressed up too much. Chelsea said, Ibuna Lagos. Are you asking me whether I live in Lagos? Please, if you have any inquiries to make, send your inquiries to my email address, which is the igbotutor@gmail.com. The name of the channel is the email address, but you put it together, no space. The igbotutor@gmail.com. That will be responded to, talking to Chelsea. Okay, that is what I can say about your question now. Please send me a mail if you have personal inquiries to make or personal discussions. We also have live classes for those who want one-on-one live classes. We offer that. If you want, do send us email. We have ebooks, like I said earlier, the ebooks that have text, pictures, audio, 3-in-1, that will facilitate your learning, make you learn faster. And they cover quite a number of subjects: alphabets, numbers, 2-letter words, daily conversation, whatever you want. They are all covered in the book series that we have. So access them now. If you don't know how to get our books, send us email, check our homepage, check our channel description, check our community tab. You will see a link to our book. Check the description of this video. When it's uploaded, you see a link to our bookshop. Get them today. Start learning so that by next Saturday, you would have been ready, waiting for us, and you will fire like other people. Don't forget, we welcome your super chats, super stickers, even in this class now, as a way of showing support and love to us. And then, even when you are watching later in our homepage, the super thank button is there. Show us some love. And God will bless you for doing that. I said the last sentence is, Daniel, Mkpụrụ osisi danyere. The fruit fell into the box, into the basket rather. Let's see what we wrote. Okay. Chelsea, do you understand what I explained about how to reach me or make further inquiries? I live in Nigeria, in Lagos actually, but for further inquiries, I have told you what to do in order to, just a guy, thank you for your super chat, or thanks rather, super sticker rather. We appreciate that, just a guy. We got your sticker. We appreciate that. Any other person doing that will appreciate you. Super. Jay, just a guy, has displayed love to us, and then we appreciate that from anyone who is going to do that. That's a way of supporting us to come here and spend 1.5 hours talking to you, discussing Igbo language, teaching you. We need support, to sustain our efforts and encourage us the more. So it's not going to be out of place if you just give us a super thanks, sticker, chat, or anything. Thank you very much, just a guy. Like I was saying, we have live private classes if you want. We have our books. We have our live class. We have our videos, a lot of them in our homepage. So in any way you want help, we'll always be available to help you out. So just give us a shout out today. We'll be able to locate you and see how to help you. Many people here are in our live class, and I'm thinking they are making progress. From their responses here, no doubt they are making progress. You can join one of them if you so wish. So the last sentence we're considering, like I said earlier, is the fruit fell into the basket. And I got responses, but I'm waiting for this super sticker to leave the screen before I will look at what we got. Okay? But this guy had to enjoy his money for now. And that is just a guy. Okay? Just a guy. We appreciate. God bless you. And bless all of you that came around, to join this class. I am here because you are here. If you are not here, I will not be here. So those of you who always find out time to be with me in the live class, I appreciate you so much. You are a source of encouragement, especially McDonald Chikezie. It's not as if you don't understand Igbo. From your responses, you understand Igbo very well. But you are always showing support. Through you too, others are learning a lot. So I'm not taking that for granted at all. You have also given cash donations to support this channel. Igbo, great supporter, great fan. God bless you. Just a guy, God bless you. Zoe and Young, okay, God bless you. You are in my private class, many of you. You are all great people. And I couldn't have gone this far in the channel if not for your support. So I so much appreciate all of you and your support. Okay, let's celebrate their first super on the live chat. Of course, we have done this celebration. So we move on as we are rounding up. Now I'm going to say the sentence now, which is supposed to be mkpụrụ osisi danyere. Okay? Because it's like a past tense. Danyere fell into the box, the basket rather. Mkpụrụ osisi danyere n'ime nkata. Mkpụrụ osisi danyere n'ime nkata. That is the right response. If you have written that, that is the right response. Mkpụrụ osisi danyere n'ime nkata. This sticker has not left. The YouTube wants us to look at this sticker very well and appreciate the person very well. Say, let's celebrate their first super on the live stream. I guess that's why they're leaving it so long. So maybe they are waiting for you to send in your own also. That's why they have not allowed this one to leave. So you can see it yourself and then send your own. Maybe that's what YouTube is waiting for. They want you to support this live chat, this live lesson. They want you to also sending you a super sticker and super chat. You can use your super sticker to say thank you, to say God bless you for the end of this lesson today. Use it to appreciate us. Use it to round up, just like just a guy did. We thank you so much for always being here. Thank you for your support. God bless you. We are at 1 hour, 33 minutes. And here is where we draw the curtain for today. See you next Saturday. Que Messiah.